away you go. It takes a minimum of about 4 hours to get a steam engine ready from cold. If you extend the time to 12 hours, so much the better. If you heat it up too quickly, the various metal parts expand at different rates. Before long, you get leaks, distortions of the metal surfaces. So you must warm it up gently, letting the whole engine expand slowly as the heat spreads from the furnace, through the tubes of the boiler, and on into the cylinders and valves. Only when the boiler pressure is correct, the engine is nicely warm throughout, will it perform properly, with no chance of damage. In the old days, steam raising, as it was called, was a drudge, a task given to the young trainee engine drivers who used to book on at sheds all over the country at 2 o'clock in the morning to get the engines ready for the men coming on duty at perhaps 6 or 7 o'clock. Sam Foster, British Rail's boiler inspector, makes a final check on Mallard's front end. Today, getting a steam engine ready is an honour which only a privileged few are allowed to qualify for. The lads 50 years ago would have thought you were mad if you suggested steam raising just for fun. But Mallard today is a star who draws the crowds wherever she goes. When the lighting up process has been completed, the proud locomotive leaves her shed on the way to pick up her train. Today's trip is from Leeds to Scarborough. The crowd's out to give a super send-off to Mallard. Hauling a post office special to show off the work of the travelling post office and the issuing of a new set of stamps, the locomotive carries a special flag. The men on the footplate are ready for a brisk run, though not, I'm afraid, at 126 miles an hour. Mallard today is officially restricted to 60 miles an hour, although the old loco men say she could still do that famous speed record figure if pushed, without big end trouble that brought her to a sharp standstill at Peterborough after her great effort. From the air, the train looks like a supermodel layout.
They both try to run as far and as fast as they can. But a man's not a train, and a train's not a man. A man can do things that a train never can.